All right, a little room tour of the hotel. I don't know how to even pronounce this. Is it Hotel YVE? Is it Eve? Who knows? But if you are going on a cruise in Miami, I highly recommend this hotel. Just the view is absolutely amazing. Not only that, you can see your cruise ship, depending on what cruise you're taking, right across the street from where you are. Definitely want to recommend this hotel. Again, I don't know how to pronounce it, but the cool thing about it also is that they give you complimentary drinks at the bar your first night, and you also get free Wi-Fi. You get free internet. Well, that's Wi-Fi. But you get free bottled water, I should say, free coffee. You get a lot of free stuff to be in the heart of Miami. So we have two twin beds. Of course, you can get a single bed set up. There's plenty of closet space. There's a bathroom right here. Again, it's perfect if you're just going on a cruise and you need to arrive the day before your cruise. We're leaving right in the morning, so we'll barely even be in the room. But look at that view. And again, travel agent found this for us. You know, we're doing all this because of MEI Travel. Have to give them a shout out. I might actually try that Ferris wheel right there. And that right there, by the way, is a Virgin cruise ship. It's an adult cruise that they have. You may have heard about it. Right across the street, actually, from that, as well as there's a beach and some other things down there. So we're looking forward to getting on the cruise and sharing that with you all tomorrow. So I wanted to highlight this hotel, and of course, shout out to MEI Travel. If you are a fan of our podcast and all of our other stuff, we have our own agent. His name is Brock Taylor, who will help you with any of your travel or Disney or international travel, going to London. You can do all that for anybody that's associated with mistaken identity. That goes for anybody, whether you're a Patreon or not. Just send us an email and we can hook you up with them. All right, so that's it for our little room tour, and we will catch you all on the ship tomorrow.